Hey guys, thank you for purchasing this pack from Motionist. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the glitch titles inside your project. To show this, I've opened a project inside After Effects, and for next step, I'm gonna add the glitch title on top of it. So to do that, I'm gonna open the glitch title by double click on the project panel. Then once you download the glitch title from Video Hive, you will be able to see these folders: the After Effects project, the help folder, which you can find this video tutorial inside it, and the font folder, which contains the link to the font that are used inside this project. So I'm going to open After Effects project folder and import glitch titles. Hit open. Then I'm going to open the glitch title and select simple titles, RGB titles, or neon titles. All of them are glitch. So in this case, I'm gonna go to RGB titles and choose one of them, bring it down to the timeline and put it on top of my video. And maybe I can bring down the resolution to half so we can see it much faster. As you notice, there is two markers responsive time that you can shorten or expand your titles. So I'm gonna put my title here. And as you can see, the title is opening. All right, so let's see how we can change the text inside it. I'm going to close it. Double click on RGB, and once the title composition is opened, what you can see is a layer to control the colors and position of this text. Let's change one, for example, to see. You can change these colors or change the length of this box down here to match the text that you're putting in. And after that, if you want to change these texts, you need to double click on text RGB number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do this now. Select text RGB, change it to video. Go back here to RGB title number 9 composition and double click on text RGB and change it to promo. Again, do the same thing. And the last one. Very well. And here, as you can see, I have my titles. I can reposition the texts using the align panel, align it. And then go back. Here we have a line and set out our title. We can definitely select a layer, open the transform, scale it down, or change the position and put it in a place that we need it to be, like so. As you see, this pack is super easy to work with and comes with more than 100 creative titles that you can use inside your project and boost up the video qualities. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in next videos.